Hey guys, it's Matt's Views 929 here now, and I've found Billy yet again. This time, he's in the microwave, and it looks like he he likes some some good hot chocolate and perhaps some oatmeal too. And it's pretty interesting that he also has the Yeti cup pretty much in the microwave because if I had to guess. I guess Billy's favorite would be the hot chocolate. He sometimes like to have a oatmeal meal too. He like things hot. Is what I'm assuming. Talk about. I guess he. I guess he's just sounds like a lot like Anna. She likes hot things too. And Olaf, on the other hand, likes summer. Well, but So yeah. So thank you all so much for watching, and please do subscribe for more videos. And until next time, have a wonderful day.